What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm just going to show you what I got the other day in the mail, straight from Japan. You know how it is. Got a fresh pair of Bride seats. Let's unbox them and check them out. Alright, so these are the brand new Bride Xero RS Halo seats. So you know, with all the new rules with competition and even Englishtown and certain East Coast tracks, you gotta have the Halo stuff or Hans device. I just figured I would pick up some new seats so I can pass tech and not have to worry about passengers riding and needing them have, you know, to have a Hans and whatnot. So here they are. Alright, so I ended up going with the classic black. Bride actually went away from the gradation, like the, you know, Bride by Bride. They eliminated that in the new design, and now they got these leather strips along the sides here to protect the seat belts and, you know, prevent the fabric from getting worn. We also got this super sweet diamond stitch on the sides. We got this carbon fiber looking fabric up here on the shoulders. We got the carbon fiber accents around the seatbelt cutouts, and then of course we got the Halo system, and it actually has removable pads, I guess, in case your helmet's too big or you want a little more room, so they're just easily come in and out. Then of course you got your little package with your hardware for mounting to your seat rails. You got another Bride sticker with some Japanese instructions. But the one thing that I was very surprised about that I didn't even know about these seats is they have a heated seat element built in. So if you're really balling and you want to wire that up to your race car, you're, you know, drifting around the cold, all you got to do is wire that into a switch, and you got yourself some heated racing seats with the Halos. So I mean, I didn't even know about this, but I guess you get what you pay for, so sweet. I just wanted to give a little comparison between the new Xero RSs and the Bride Vios IIIs that I was previously running. So they're both running the Lomax system, so actually these seats are exactly the same width, so they work with the exact same seat rails without any modification. So the main difference is in the design. So as you can see, you know, the classic Brides, they got the Bride gradation all the way up the seat. It's made out of the full fabric. It's got the Lomax logo, the red accent. And then of course you got the classic silver glitter back, the FRP version. So the fact that they kind of updated the Brides with these leather pieces here and the carbon fiber stuff up here, hopefully that'll help with like wear and tear, because if you see on these seats we got a little, you know, wear and tear on this Alcantara stuff or whatever, and we got like just wear and tear on the fabric here just from getting in and out of the car. So it's super nice that they updated them with this leather strip and this carbon fiber stuff. So hopefully these seats will be a little easier to keep nice when you're at the track and you're all dirty and, you know, you're hustling in and out of the car. So we will see. So on the Bride Vios IIIs that I was running in the previous car, I was running the Bride Lomax seat rails that had the sliders. Like, they're super nice, and you know, it's nice because you can adjust them in and out for different people and your passengers and whatnot. But when I went to mount these seats with those same exact seat rails the other day, I realized that they're just basically too high. Even though the Bride Lomax system is very low and whatnot, with these seats, just the way they are positioned and the way they sit in the S chassis, I was too high in the car. I felt like I was like just too high to the ceiling, and the steering wheel was like too far in my lap. So after testing them, I went and ordered some Planet, like super low seat rails that are just fixed, so you just kind of drill them into whatever position you want, and with them not having the sliders, they're like 2 inches lower, and you can literally sit the bucket like on the bottom of the chassis. So I went and ordered them. So I'm just kind of waiting for them to come around, and we can check out how these seats fit. So stay tuned for that video. We're going to be test fitting them, showing you how to install the Planet seat rails, and we'll see you soon. Stay tuned. Peace.